Upgrade your Audi A6 or A7 with the Nunoo Android 14 Car Multimedia Player from AliExpress. Designed for models from 2012 to 2018, this advanced system brings power and convenience to your dashboard. Featuring a 9-inch high-resolution IPS touchscreen, it delivers stunning visuals for navigation, music, and apps. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 or MTK 8581 processor options, and up to 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage, you get smooth performance and plenty of space for your favorite apps. Enjoy dual system functionality with OEM and Android modes, allowing you to switch freely while keeping original features like car information display, parking system, rear-view camera, radio, GPS navigation, Bluetooth, and USB. The player supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, steering wheel controls, and even a 360 panoramic camera for enhanced safety. Built-in GPS ensures rapid positioning and navigation with Google Maps and Waze, while split-screen support lets you multitask easily. With 4G LTE and 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, you can stream, download, and install apps from the Play Store without limits. Additional features include Bluetooth hands-free calling, 2 USB ports, 1 TF slot, and 1 SIM card slot. Transform your Audi into a smart entertainment hub with the Nunoo Android 14 Multimedia Player. Order now from AliExpress and experience next-level driving technology.